Man, what's up with you? I'm back with another one. Today we finna be cutting up in the scat, in the snow, with no traction. You hear me? Finna be busting corners and shit. It's snowing like shit. Yeah, man. We finna get right into it. Hopefully we can get out this fucking grass. We moving though. I ain't even gotta touch the gas. That's good. First thing we doing, turn traction on. First one, I should have did a burnout.
Well, you gonna kick up one of these rocks and hit somebody's house? Bet you gonna take out a window.
Out in the rain and the charges, I ain't gonna lie, it's not even that bad. As long as you're not doing nothing stupid. You drive, you worry about just getting to your destination, bro, it's not that bad, bro. Just drive like you got sense, you'll be alright.
Yeah, but
unless your tire's bad. If your tire's bad, cancel Christmas.
Or you was born in the state of Virginia.
What that mean? What that mean?
You know them Virginia niggas can't drive. Virginia is known for the worst drivers in the country. Actually, it's the tri-state area, matter of fact.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
What we doing? Huh? So what we doing? Floating in this moment.
Geeking, bro. Hey, I just feel like deli is shit outside. Oh, there's a nigga in a ditch. Oh.
Wait, where?
There's a nigga in a ditch right there. That's not no snow plow. That's a.
What the fuck?
That's a toad.
We not like that.
Oh, God.
Let's pray real quick. Matter of fact, everyone, bow your head. Everyone watching this. Oh, shit. Hold that guy. Nah, give me that phone, bro. You need to drive. Hey, bro, we might be stuck. Bro, Doobie, I think we're stuck, bro.
Nah, good.
Relax, man.
My bad, bro. I'm a little.
Relax, bro. Let the driver drive, man. That's the hood.
Nah, we good. Sheesh, it's no joke out here.
How the fuck?
Damn! What the fuck, bro? Get down!
Damn, boy, them Jeeps, yeah, boy, they got that all-wheel and everything.
Man, fuck that all-wheel. He about to get all smacked.
Yeah, shit, bro. You drunk as fuck doing anything, bro. Feel like snowing out this big. Damn. Nah, turn them straight up. Yeah. Hey, Joe. Turn it. Joe, turn my joints up and down, straight up and down. Oh, look. driving just fine. Nigga, I was driving, but my shit spun, nigga. Who almost whacked the car right next to me.
It's not that bad, but my shit bad, bro. I don't know how I'm making it.
I don't know.
Nigga.
I don't know.
We thugging, man.
We thugging like
Talking
shit.
about real good drive, man.
Fuck all that.
It's about the driver.
Oh God, it's the driver, you hear me?
What you think, Roger? What you think? I ain't gonna lie, some pictures would be sweet. Alright, go ahead. We ain't gotta do nothing illegal. We're just here to take pictures.
She sliding. It's not. They
chillin'.
not putting shit to use.
I got y'all, bro.
But no, but don't do it, Vinny.
Man, go clean. Hey, go clean these streets. Go.
Hey, Vinny. Hey, bro.
Look, now he locked in the beach. He's locked in there, bruh. He's stuck in the jump, bruh.
Hey, bro. He's drunk as shit, bro. You need to get out there, bro. Get your drunk ass out that jump, man.
Bruh.
Hey, bro, come on, man.
Bruh.
Now you good? Oh.
Snowing like shit. Man. Oh, man. Oh. Better slow it down going down that corner, boy. Yeah, get the brakes on their ass. So I can get a shorty. All over the place. Yeah, shorty. be careful going down. This is a hill right here. All this shit is a hill. Well, you cutting it close.
All power.
Oh my God, brakes crunchy and shit. You cutting it close, boy. Hey, cut this way though. Here. Oh, dude, what the fuck? Bro, he's scaring the fuck out of me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Well, that bitch be sliding. Damn. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, man, this is where we're gonna end up the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all liked it.